Ngayon na Tuesday, wala pang pension, tipid tayo. Kaya healthy. Ito, shrimp sinigang a la Rel. Pako for lunch plus tilapia and the adobong pusit with special ink. Today's lunch is the patola. Patola with sayote as requested by the family. Today is Sunday.
Luya, we have the luya.
Some of history's greatest stories of escape began.
The luya, and then simmer, simmer. Tawag dito.
Steer.
Gisa. Gisa. Gisa.
Justice is finally served for the
Tinola pala to, hindi patola. Tinola. That's it.
The fried rice a la Reli. Look. Yellow, parang turmeric. We will garnish this with onion. There you go. There you go. Okay. Friday, end of the week. We're preparing another lunch. This time, light fried rice. Kikiam fried rice a la Reli. There is the kikiam fried rice. The whole kikiam around. With matching egg. And magic sarap.
Ano yan?
Ito ngayon ang gagawin natin. This is the pusit adobo. I just sauteed the aromatics to include the tomato. Now I'll place the magic syrup. No. I will place the suka. 3 tablespoons spoonful of suka. Broth para mas lalo may it bulaga. So mamaya anin natin ang progress. Ready mo yung ano tawag dito yung sukal. This is the, I don't know how many days, pero wala pa rin kami pension. Dinadaan ko na sa luto. Baka sakaling for today, I am sizzling up. Pagkatapos kong pinalambot itong beef, inaano ko ngayon, ginigisa ko sa mga aromatics. Yan. Gagawa tayo ng pares. Ano ko muna yung mga aromatics niya. Yung slurry, mami. Yung slurry. Today is Thursday, so we're preparing lunch, and today's lunch is the kalabasa and sitaw gata, so it's healthy. So we are sauteing the aromatics. There you go. Onion is from yung Nueva Vizcaya. The pork, this is pork shoulder that we ordered. Actually, hindi naman healthy, semi-healthy. Ito yung gata. Lalagay ko na yung gata. Ito. Yan. There you go. Lagyan mo pa ng tubig. We now place the snake sitaw here of the snake this year. Incidentally, it's Chinese New Year. Chinese New Year today. Kung Hei Watsai. Kung Hei Watsai. Large chilies.
Molingas specialty for today's lunch. I am preparing the almolingas.
Ayan. Sabi ko may grupo ng akbayan dito sa kayo, anim. Ito yung anim yung grupo ng mga retired military officers.
Almolingas in Ilonggo.
Let's do this para
Or
sa
meatballs.
Pilipino, para sa bayan. Suportado rin ng
Layman's
mga
term.
artista ang kandidatura ni Aquino, kabilang na sina Boji Pascual o Pascua.
Talo ang ating ganek. Ayan,
We are making the dressing for the coleslaw. This is the dressing. I just mix the mayonnaise plus evaporated milk. Also taste
sa tarantang software, sa bitawan niya ang dalang asul na negro. Pero kalapunan ay naresto rin siya ng mga pulis. Kwento ng biktima, pinagtak na ng kawatan ng semento sa harap ng kanilang bahay para makapaglakaw. Natangay nila ang gold na may mga alahas at pera. Wala kang pera ko lang Hirap. Hirap ng buhay natin. Wala di pa.
Yeah, to continue, this is the coleslaw. Just place the onion to add more aroma. Just add also the honey for sweetness. And I'll place some custard for additional spiciness.
Ito ang tinig ni Ligaya Johnson, isang Pinoy na
There you go.
naging US president kasama ng pamilya noong 1998. Ayon sa Filipino community sa Amerika, nakulong si Ligaya noong 2014 at natapos ang 4 na taong sentensya noong 2018 sa ilalim ng unang termino ni US President Donald Trump. Pero imbis makalaya, inilipat siya sa kustodiya ng U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement.
February 9, Liberation of Mandaluyong Day, Sunday. We are preparing the special dish for lunch. This is the adobong pusit with special black ink. There you go. This is the best yet tilapia gata with kalabasa and sitaw. The best with the pepper and the bagong. Magagalit na naman cardiologist ko nito. Okay.